Ho hey and welcome to VX Batabs. Well, here we have Mighty Mac and his Express. Looking down there, express passenger train. So, just a few words about Mighty Mac. Mighty Mac is two engines in one. He is Mighty on one end. That's the front. That's the front you see there is Mighty. And Mac on the other, making him one of the most unusual engines working on the Sodor narrow gauge railway. When Mighty and Mac work together, Mighty Mac is the strongest engine on the railway. But when they don't, Mighty and Mac pull each other backwards and forwards, only to end up right where they began. So Mighty Mac is based on a fairly locomotive with added buffer beams with low set buffers and couplings. Okay, so that's Mighty Mac on the front. He's old Mighty Mac. So we'll just have a look at he's old Mighty, and on the back is young Mac. We'll have a look at young Mac. So there's young Mac. Okay, so we'll just get Mighty Mac going. There's the power car there, so we'll just get the power car going. There he goes. Well, there they go, should I say. There's my new Tomy service station. Okay, so now young Mac has had enough of being on the back. He wants to be on the front. So we'll just have to switch the Mighty Mac around here, and we do that like this. There we go. Okay, now we've got young Mac on the front, which she's completely happy about. So you're sick of being on the back, so it's Mighty's turn to be on the back and young Mac's turn to be on the front. So off he goes. There we go. Okay, here he comes. There's young Mac on the front and old Mighty on the back. Well, that's all folks from Mighty Mac. Thanks for watching. And cheerio.